Hey everybody, Alex Warren here. So I'm reading the paper for the Sydney Morning Herald. This was yesterday's paper, having a little good read at it. The biggest thing that caught my eye was spending growth in New South Wales hits zero. The day before that, it was something like retail slumps to the lowest record ever. And then today's paper was something like, I think it was on the 5th page, it said something like online sales massively increases, retailers hitting it. Harvey Norman is not feeling the budget surf. I think the tax cuts that people are getting from the Morrison government. Harvey Norman isn't getting it back. So people are not spending at retail. People are not spending. They're all going online, and this is something that I'm seeing more and more. And this is something that I think retailers, especially, like look around, like shops, sort of behind me. You've got clothing shops. You've got people even wanting to start a business. If you're looking to start a business, do not go and start one of these shops. Do not go and open up a shop and try and sell goods in the shop, right? Because not only are you dealing with overheads, wages, staff, electricity, all the overheads that come with opening a physical location. You don't need to do that because that's not where the customers are going. They're going online. They're going to Amazon to buy their products, right? They're going online to buy the products. It's just convenience. This is pretty much the future of retail, and that is people want convenience. They want the same day delivery. They want the second day free delivery, right? They want the free shipping, right? So people want the convenience of going online and buying the product and getting that instant gratification. They want to go down the beach for the afternoon, right? So this is why you need to be online. And this is why if you're looking to start a business, or start a business that sells online, and you need to sell a profit. You need to sell a product that people actually want to buy. It's not just you going itty, meeny, money, mo. I'm going to sell sunglasses, right? You still got to do the research and find out what people are buying online. So guys, check it out. Check out my videos on my other YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now.